recent video of Teso South Mp Mary Emase being heckled in Busia has stirred fresh debate over the political mood in Western Kenya, and it's not looking good for either President William Ruto or ODM leader Raila Odinga. The clip, which has since gone viral, shows the MP being booed as she tried to deliver greetings from both Raila and Ruto at a public function. What followed was a clear and loud rejection from the crowd, with chants of WANTAM and hatutaki ringing through the air.
Siwezi nikamaliza kuongea kama sijaongea mambo ya siasa ya national, sababu mimi ni kiongozi wa national. Abona vitu osamani yonga kwa. Kila mahali jamii wameanza kujipanga kwa serikali ambao inakuja. Sisi tumejipanga, tujajipanga. Tusipojipanga unajua tutapangwa. Tumekuwa mahali, hata kuna siku tumekuwa na baba Bomet, watu wameshikana. Baba amepeana ushauri. Halo, unapokea salamu za baba? Unapokea salamu za William Ruto?
It's a moment that says a lot about where the people of Western Kenya are politically, and more importantly, where they are not. For years, Raila Odinga could count on Busia, Kakamega, Bungoma and Vihiga to deliver solid numbers at the ballot. The region was part of his stronghold, and the Luhya community backed him across multiple elections. But things are changing fast. The crowd's reaction in Busia wasn't just about Mary Emase. It was a direct rejection of the two national figures who've dominated Kenyan politics for the past decade. The people are tired, frustrated, and ready to move on from what they now see as leaders who've lost touch with their struggles. For Raila, the blow is painful. He's known as Baba to many and has worked with the Western region through thick and thin. But his political ties with Ruto through the 2023 bipartisan talks and the perceived silence on issues affecting Western counties seem to have cost him. The base that once cheered his name is now turning its back. On the other hand, President William Ruto is also facing growing rejection. His push to woo the Luhya vote through appointments and empowerment forums is falling flat. Many locals feel the promises made in 2022 have not been met. From cost of living to job creation and infrastructure, the ground is restless, and no amount of handshake or greetings can fix it. In fact, the louder the chants of WANTAM, the clearer the message. Ruto's presidency is on trial in Western, and the verdict is not looking good.
Safari ya kuongoza taifa la Kenya na kukomboa Kenya ilianza jana kule Vihiga. Kulianzia Rwanda tukaenda mbali.
Interestingly, new faces are beginning to emerge. Trans Nzoia Governor Natembeya is gaining attention with his bold style and focus on development. Eugene wamalwa is also back in the conversation, seen by many as a leader who speaks the language of the people.
Sio kabila. Watu kukuja pamoja vile tumekuja hivi, hiyo sio ukabila. Ukabila ni kupendelea. Unasema huyu ni jamii yangu, atapata kitu fulani kwa sababu ya jamii peke yake, sio kitu kingine.
Kakamega Senator Khalwale is another key figure, especially among the youths. His fearless approach and local engagement have kept him in the spotlight, even as other leaders struggle for relevance. Meanwhile, Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia and National Assembly leader Wetangula, who are seen as Ruto's key lieutenants in the region, are finding it hard to defend the government records. Many believe they have been swallowed by Nairobi politics and are now too far removed from local issues.
Mimi nilisimama nikaambia watu wa magharibi kwa uchaguzi ambao ulikwisha. Niliwaambia nimetembea Kenya, nimeangalia, na mimi nawaambia yule ambaye atakuwa rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya atakuwa William Ruto. Si nilisema hivyo? Yalitendeka ama haikutendeka? Ilitendeka ama haikutendeka? Sasa mimi nataka niwaambie tena, kwa sababu nimetembea na mimi najua, na mimi sina haja ya kudanganya ndugu na dada zangu wa Malava. Mimi nataka niwaambie ukweli wa mambo ni kwamba hata mkiona hii mambo yote ambayo inatendeka katika Kenya kwa njia ya kidemokrasia, I want to tell you, siku ya kufika ballot, Mheshimiwa William Ruto atashinda uchaguzi wa 2027.
The people of Western Kenya are speaking, and they are not mincing words. They want change. They want leaders who listen, act and deliver, not recycled promises and political drama.
Ruto, wewe Kasongo, wewe Kaongo, wewe Zakayo, wewe mtu ya kutenga, wewe harabu shamba, wewe mwizi, wewe muuaji, aende asiende, atembee asitembee.
This shift is not just about emotions, it's about lived reality. The Mama Mboga in Bungoma still pays high taxes. The bodaboda rider in Vihiga still struggles with fuel prices. The student in Kakamega still lacks proper infrastructure. And the farmer in Busia still waits for better markets. When these needs are ignored, greetings from big names like Raila and Ruto fall flat, just like they did during Emase's speech. The 2027 election might still be 2 years away, but the writing is still on the wall. Western Kenya is no longer anyone's guaranteed backyard. Loyalty has been replaced with expectations, and if those in power don't adjust quickly, the WANTAM slogan might just become a political reality. It's a new chapter in Western politics, and both Raila and Ruto might need to go back to the drawing board, because as things stand, the people have moved on.
Siwezi nikamaliza kuongea kama sijaongea mambo ya siasa ya national, sababu mimi ni kiongozi wa national. Aboma alito somebody on kwa. Kila mahali jamii wameanza kujipanga kwa serikali ambao inakuja. Sisi tumejipanga, tujajipanga. Tusipojipanga unajua tutapangwa. Tumekuwa mahali, hata kuna siku tumekuwa na baba Bomet, watu wameshikana. Baba amepeana ushauri,